Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my very simple and very easy skincare routine, even though I have been slacking a bit myself. This skincare routine is perfect if you are really lazy and can't be bothered to take care of your skin, because it doesn't take long at all. If you want to see what I do, then please keep watching. So first thing I do, if I'm wearing makeup, I will take my makeup off using coconut oil. I find this so much nicer to use on my face than makeup wipes, and makeup wipes aren't as good for your skin as this stuff is. I just would take my makeup off, wiping a bit of the coconut oil onto this cotton pad and then just wiping it all over my face, and the makeup comes off really easily. The next thing I'll do is I'll go wash my face and then use this exfoliating daily scrub. I'll do this every day. It takes like 10 seconds and then you wash it off again just to clean all the dirt and excess makeup off my face. I use different scrubs all the time, and I find this step is really important if you're wanting to like reduce spots. You can tell I've been slacking with it because I've got spots, but this really helps remove them. The next thing I go in with is a face mask, and I should do this once a week, but it's more like once a month. But yeah, this one is a hydrating face mask because I have really dry skin, so sometimes I'll use sheet masks, other times I'll use this one, just to help anything that'll help hydrate my skin. Just apply an even layer, and I'm going to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've just rinsed off my face mask with warm water and made sure my face is nice and dry. Next, I'm going to go in with my toner, and I'll do this once a day. Everything I do once a day in this routine except the face mask, which I do once a week. And I'll just squirt a bit of that toner onto the cotton pad and just wipe it all over my face. Then for the final step, I go in with moisturiser. This one's just a Nivea Soft moisturiser, and I'm pretty generous with it. I make sure I put loads all over my face and also down my neck as well. Once I've put on my moisturiser, I'll just use a lip balm and apply this to my lips. Keeps my lips nice and hydrated too. So that is my skincare routine, and as you can see, it's very, very simple and it takes about 5 minutes at most. It usually takes me about 2 minutes when I'm not using a face mask, and you only need to use a face mask once a week. So if you're lazy like me, this skincare routine is perfect for you. I hope that this video will have motivated some of you to start a skincare routine and hopefully help clear up your face and just make it nice. And so yeah, if you enjoyed this and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.